In this video, I'm going to show you how to block spam emails on Yahoo Mail. Now to do this, first you want to open an email from the sender which you want to block, so the spam email. For example, we're going to pretend that this email over here is a spam email, and then what you want to do when you click on it to open it, up top there's going to be a bunch of different options. You could go ahead and mark it as spam. That's not essentially going to block it. If you actually want to block it, you want to click on more over here, and you want to click on block sender. So whenever you click on block sender over here, you can select if you want to block all future emails and also delete all existing emails. I'm actually going to do just this one right now, but of course you can do both, and then click on the block button. That's the first way to do this. But of course, you could also go and click on more bottom left, and you can go to settings, and then inside settings over here, you have security and privacy, and you can see your blocked addresses. If you know, for example, like a list of different emails you're receiving from different spam addresses, you could also go and click on add, and you can manually go and add those addresses. Click on save, and you can add up to 1,000 blocked addresses which cannot message you anymore. Okay, that's how to do this. If you want to remove them, click on the X button next to it and you're good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.